Let's do one thing. Let's get back to the markets now. We are prepping for a day that begins in the red. Siddarth Bhamre, the Director, Alternate Investment and Research at InCred Equities is with us. Siddarth, hi, good morning. It's been, back-to-back pressure days across the globe, at least for our own markets as well. Things have not looked that great. What is the expectation as we head into trade today and for the week? It's a truncated week, this one, and you have big cues coming up. There's the budget next week. What's the positional view?
Good morning, Sonia. So firstly, I think we all know that medium-term or short-term trend is down at this point of time. And it won't be very adventurous to, create contra-long position, at least on index. But then the million-dollar question is, if you have not shorted, should you short now? And the answer to that, as of now, is no. If you look at most of the markets, and let me talk about Dow Jones and Nifty. Now, Dow is around 34,200 levels. In last 5-6 months, around 33,600, which is not substantially lower from here, a couple of percentage points. Dow has bounced back from this level substantially 4-5 times in last 6 months. Nifty has a strong support zone around 17,200, 17,300, 350 odd levels. So you are heading into a strong support zone globally as well as in domestic market. Shorting near support till the time support is not breached can lead to trigger in your stop losses if you're a short back. So fresh short positions are not advisable, even though the trend as of now is still down and there's still room for 200, 300 points on the downside. But as a positional trader, you don't short. If you look at Bank Nifty, there is inch of strength over there. Last week, Nifty went down by 3.5%, but Bank Nifty outperformed, though it was also down by 2%. But two large cap names over there, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, are showing strength. There has been a huge bout of short covering in HDFC Bank in last trading session. ICICI Bank is not correcting much. Reliance numbers have been good. We are seeing other heavyweight like HUL supporting the market. Yes, there are names from other spaces like metals and some of the IT names which are correcting, but we are not seeing substantial correction going forward. Infosys has been one of the stocks which has been dragging this market down. But again, this stock has reached its strong support zone. We have seen 10% rise in open interest in last trading session, which we believe, looking at the statistics and price movement and the support zone of Infosys, that these are some long positions added at lower levels. So all in all, the risk-reward ratio is not in favor of creating fresh short positions. That doesn't mean you get adventurous. Wait and watch. I think this week, though it is truncated, as you mentioned, will lead to crucial levels either getting tested or challenged. So let's wait and watch. I think stock specific, there are a lot of long and short idea, and we would be long in the names which we mentioned. There are names like Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance which are showing weakness. There are some cement names which are showing weakness, which can be traded with negative bias. But overall, I won't be too negative as important markets are.
Okay, Siddarth, thanks a lot for your time today. Have a good day. Let's now move on. The pre